Amidst the whirlwind of technological advancements, the Galaxy S24 Ultra emerges as a beacon of innovation. Safeguard your flagship marvel from unexpected falls by delving into a world where the fusion of style and durability defines the finest drop protection cases for your state-of-the-art gadget. Now moving to the next one at number 14 is Spigen Tough Armor Mag Fit. Experience durability like never before with the Spigen Tough Armor Mag Fit. Crafted from PC, TPU, and impact foam, it ensures ultimate protection. Utilizing extreme protection tech, this case provides military-grade defense. The built-in kickstand allows hands-free viewing, while compatibility with wireless charging, MagSafe accessories, S Pen, and PowerShare adds unparalleled functionality to your Samsung device. At number 13 is Allego Hybrid Case. Indulge in the uniqueness of Allego's hybrid case, a creation born entirely in-house. Unlike mass-produced cases, Allego ensures a perfect fit, optimal protection, and aesthetic appeal. This case, designed for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, merges polycarbonate and TPU seamlessly, delivering exceptional protection against drops, dirt, dust, and oil. The raised lip safeguards your screen and camera from scratches, and its wireless charging compatibility adds to its versatility. Elevate your device's defense with Allego's precision-crafted hybrid case. At number 12 is Case. Experience ultimate convenience with Case's protective drop-proof case for the Samsung S24 Ultra 5G. The built-in foldable stand caters to vertical and horizontal positions, enhancing activities like reading, watching movies, playing games, and FaceTime. The rotatable belt clip holster adds versatility and convenience, doubling as a stand. With a built-in screen protector, your device is shielded from scratches while maintaining original response sensitivity. Ideal for outdoor activities, Case ensures comprehensive protection for your phone. On number 11 is Taurus Magnetic O Stand. Elevate your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra experience with the Taurus Magnetic O Stand, a MagSafe compatible stand and ring holder. Its magnetic prowess securely attaches to MagSafe accessories and even metal surfaces, offering unprecedented compatibility. As a stand, it's perfect for S Pen activities, FaceTime, or video chat. The military-grade drop protection, including a 360-degree air cushion, ensures your device is safeguarded from all angles, making it resistant to fumbles, bumbles, and tumbles. At number 10 is OtterBox Defender Series Case. OtterBox Defender Series is your shield against drops with legendary durability. Specifically designed for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, it boasts multi-layer construction for the ultimate grip. Exceeding military standards, it endures 5x as many drops and supports wireless charging. Port covers fend off dust, and the included holster doubles as a kickstand. Enjoy peace of mind with OtterBox's limited lifetime warranty, your device's guardian. At number 9 is Humix. Exclusively designed for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, the Humix case offers a 360-degree shield with a built-in screen and lens protector. Military-grade shockproof design withstands drops up to 14 feet, ensuring robust protection without bulk. IP68 waterproof certification makes it ideal for aquatic adventures. The premium TPU PC materials, HD screen protector, and 9H lens protector guarantee optimal clarity and safeguard your device against scratches, drops, and water, providing an unparalleled defense for your phone. On number 8 is Caseborne V. Embrace heavy-duty defense with Caseborne V, featuring a robust 5-layer construction and foam layer for shock absorption. This case passes 4x military-grade drop tests, ensuring 21 feet of drop protection. With a built-in kickstand, reinforced corners, and raised lips, your device enjoys added protection. While compatible with wireless charging and NFC, please note that it does not support power sharing. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty from Frisco, Texas, Caseborne V offers peace of mind for your device. At number 7 is Subcase UB Pro. Choose supreme protection with the Subcase UB Pro for Galaxy S24 Ultra. It offers 2 front frames, one with a built-in screen protector and the other without, catering to your preference. The rotatable belt clip adds user-friendly convenience, while precise cutouts ensure easy access to all features. With a 20 feet drop test certification, this case, crafted from multi-layer TPU and polycarbonate, guarantees ultimate drop protection for your Samsung S24 Ultra. At number 6 is Spigen Neo Hybrid. Experience the epitome of protection and style with Spigen's Neo Hybrid. Crafted from PC and TPU, this case ensures unmatched durability. Its sleek herringbone design not only adds flair but also enhances your grip. Precise cutouts and tactile buttons provide solid feedback, while raised edges safeguard your screen and camera. Compatible with S Pen, wireless charging, and power share, the Neo Hybrid is a perfect blend of functionality and sophistication. At number 5 is Cases2024 Genuine Official. Embark on a new era with Cases2024's Invisible Magic Stand series, exclusively engineered for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Seamlessly integrating strong magnetic technology with a foldable kickstand, this case easily attaches to all MagSafe accessories. Crafted from lightweight yet durable aerospace aluminum alloy, the circular kickstand is a marvel of portability. The versatile design allows stable placement in portrait or landscape mode, with an adjustable range of 40 degrees to 120 degrees. Enjoy hands-free convenience and faster, safer wireless charging with Cases2024's MagPrime Array technology, ensuring 2 times stronger magnetism and almost 0% power loss. Elevate your charging experience and relish every watching moment with this innovative, patented design. At number 4 is Poetic Guardian Case. Elevate your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra experience with the Poetic Guardian Case. Its camera foldable stand, adjustable from 0 degrees to 120 degrees and capable of folding 10K times, provides on-the-go convenience. The strong N52 magnet circle ensures secure attachment to car mounts and MagSafe accessories, while military-grade drop protection and a built-in screen protector add durability. Compatible with wireless charging, it's a blend of functionality and defense for your device. At number 3 is Tora's 360-degree spin. Tora's Stand Spin series for Samsung S24 Ultra introduces a groundbreaking case with a 360-degree spin kickstand doubling as a ring holder, military-grade protection, and endless fun. The pioneering 360-degree spin stand offers flexible angles for various positions, undergoing over 30,000 open and closed tests. This 3-in-1 versatile kickstand integrates charging and ring holding, ensuring a secure connection even on uneven terrain. Experience freedom, versatility, and unmatched magnetic strength with Tora's 360-degree spin. At number 2 is Spigen Rugged Armor. Experience top-notch durability with the Spigen Rugged Armor case for Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Crafted from robust TPU, this case offers a perfect blend of strength and flexibility. The carbon fiber accents not only provide a sleek, modern appearance but also enhance the overall sturdiness. With extra corner protection and raised edges, your device's screen and camera stay safeguarded. Plus, enjoy compatibility with S Pen, wireless charging, and power share for a versatile experience. Now moving to the last one is Caseology Nano Pop. Designed in California and produced in South Korea, the Caseology Nano Pop combines style and functionality. The silicone feel ensures a comfortable grip while keeping your pockets lint and dust-free. Bold two-tone colors and a distinctive camera ring design create a sporty, playful look. With a snug-fit slim profile and a raised ring for camera protection, this case blends fashion with practicality. So guys, this was the video about the 28 must-have drop protection cases for Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button, tell us in the comments section about which one you like the most, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you. Hey.